Coming up with fresh comic ideas every day is hard. This tool basically does the brainstorming part for you. Pet Comic Prompt Studio is a tool that helps creators make cute and funny animal comics without needing any drawing or prompt writing experience. It comes with over 140 scenarios, 21 joke formulas, and 7 different product formats, giving you plenty of ideas to work with right away. You can choose from 4 built-in art styles with the option to expand to 15 styles and generate prompts that work with popular AI tools like ChatGPT, DALL, and Midjourney. Whether you're creating Etsy printables, PED designs, social media content, or KDP books, the tool makes the process much faster by providing ready-to-use prompts instead of starting from scratch. Since it works offline and requires no monthly subscription, it's a practical option for creators who want, a simple way to generate fresh content and product ideas consistently. One of the biggest challenges with creating animal comics is constantly coming up with new ideas, writing effective prompts, and getting consistent results, especially if you don't have drawing skills. Pet Comic Prompt Studio is designed to simplify that process by helping you generate ready-to-use prompts for funny animal comics in just a few clicks. Instead of spending hours brainstorming, you can choose from hundreds of scenarios, multiple art styles, and proven joke formats to create content for social media, Etsy products, pod designs, coloring pages, or KDP books. It also helps avoid common copyright concerns by focusing on original prompt structures rather than copying specific artists or brands. It's a practical tool for creators who want a faster and more organized way to turn simple ideas into comic concepts without the usual creative roadblocks. If you're interested in creating funny animal comics but often get stuck trying to come up with ideas, prompts, or designs, Pet Comic Prompt Studio helps remove a lot of that frustration. Instead of spending hours brainstorming, you can quickly generate creative pet-themed concepts and turn them into comics, stickers, memes, social posts, greeting cards, or even KDP book content. What makes it useful is that one simple idea can be repurposed into multiple formats, helping you create more content without constantly starting over. It also includes options for coloring pages, story-driven comics, mystery-style comic concepts, and book covers, which can be especially helpful for Etsy sellers, pod creators, and self-publishers looking to expand their product range. Overall, it's a straightforward way to keep fresh ideas flowing and spend more time creating rather than figuring out what to create next. One thing I like about Pet Comic Prompt Studio is how straightforward it makes the entire process. You simply choose a style, pick a pet, and a comic idea, and the tool generates a ready-to-use prompt that works with popular AI image generators. From there, the content you create isn't limited to just comics. You can turn the printables, sticker designs, pod products, social media posts, or even use multiple comics to build a KDP book. This makes it especially useful for creators who want to get more value from a single idea instead of constantly creating new content from scratch. Whether you're focused on growing a social page, selling digital products, or publishing books, the tool helps streamline the creative process and gives you a practical way to keep producing content consistently. In addition to the main tool, Pet Comic Prompt Studio includes several bonuses designed to help creators get started faster and make better use of their content. These resources provide ideas for profitable niches, ready-made captions and hooks for social media, a year-long content calendar, and guidance for turning comic creations into KDP books. For users who want to expand further, there are optional upgrades that add more art styles and scenarios, tools for building a recognizable mascot or brand, comic-to-video workflows, additional coloring and activity book content, and marketing features such as niche research and listing assistance. Together, these extras can help creators spend less time planning and more time creating, publishing, and growing their content across different platforms. If you buy through my link, I'll give you a free bonus package valued at $747. The bonus is a course, not a PDF, designed to help you earn up to $10,000 per month. To claim it, please take a screenshot of your purchase and send it to me on Facebook. I'll send your free bonus right away.